Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2013 Honda Accord fog lights. Full guide. Park the car on level ground, engage the parking brake, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wear safety glasses. Start by removing the wheel or accessing the lower bumper cover, then unclip the fog light assembly connectors carefully. Keep track of screws and bolts, and test the new bulb before reassembling to avoid extra trips. Before you start, confirm you have the correct bulb or assembly for the 2013 Honda Accord and all necessary tools. Organize a clean workspace with a tray for screws and a cloth to protect paint. Remove the wheel or lower splash shield to access the fog light area, and keep each fastener separated so reassembly goes smoothly. Take photos of connector layouts to speed up reconnection and avoid mistakes later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel to show support and get more car DIY guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals and repair instructions easy and portable, perfect for a garage bench or coffee table. It feels light, reads well in sunlit driveways, and stores many manuals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing access panels or the wheel to reach the fog light housing on the 2013 Honda Accord. Unplug the connector, remove the mounting bolts, and gently pull the assembly free from the bumper. Replace the bulb or full assembly, reconnect the wiring harness, and test the light before reattaching panels. Tighten bolts to snug, not over torque, and verify alignment so the fog beams point correctly on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.